guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking and Spices. On this episode, I want to show you how to make banana bread. So easy and so simple. Let's go for the ingredients. You're gonna need some ripe bananas, which I mash with a fork, all-purpose flour, baking powder, cinnamon, butter at room temperature, eggs, some walnut, sugar, milk, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. And I also have a loaf pan here which I've greased with oil and lined with parchment paper. I'm gonna make this with just a hand mixer, but you can do this just by hand with a wooden spoon. So just put the butter in the bowl. I'm using a deep side bowl, so it's much more easier. Add the sugar. Give this a mix. Okay, I switch from my spatula to the hand mixer. Add some vanilla extract, about a teaspoon. Mix. Okay, now I'm gonna add the egg one at a time. Milk. Bananas. You see how easy is this? Like so quickly. Now don't worry about the look of the butter right now. When you see those like the milk is giving you this kind of look, so don't worry about this at all. It's gonna be fixed after we add the flour. So now give this a mix. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. Just a pinch. It's always good to add a pinch of salt in every cake that you made, unless if you're using salted butters, then you're gonna avoid the salt. I always use unsalted butter for any cake or any sweet I make. So just give this a quick mix. You can sift all of this if you want, but I think it's a waste of time. It's gonna do the same job, and it's a quicker way. Just do it this way. So I'm gonna make this in 2 to 3 addition. Now at this point, do not overmix the batter because you don't want to get a tough bread. Add the nuts. I'm using walnuts, but you can use hazelnuts or any other nuts. I think for banana bread, walnuts is better. Okay, that's it. Now get the spatula, give it a mix all together, just to make sure everything has been well combined. The nuts. Okay, so you see now you have a beautifully smooth batter. Okay, now it's ready to go in the oven. And I also want to mention that oven is already preheating for on 375. So now I'm gonna put this to bake in my preheated oven, 375, and then it's gonna take about 45 to an hour. I will show you once it's done how it looks like. My banana bread took me an hour and 10 minutes to bake, and check this. How beautiful is this? So what you're gonna do is just take a butter knife and dump it inside. If your knife comes out clean, means your cake is ready. I just wanna get this out from here. I want to show you. Just take a knife and go around the edges. Okay, now see that? Just remove the parchment paper, and here you go. And here you have the banana bread. Let me cut it. I want to show you on the inside. Check this. See the nuts? And you see how smooth is your bread? Today, guys, go to your kitchen right now if you have some ripe bananas and try to make the banana bread tonight for your family. Everybody gonna love it, guarantee. Check the description below for the details, for the recipe details, and I will see you next time.